Hello there, welcome to Zoho Survey. Now let's get you started with your first survey. To create your first survey, go to the Edit tab, under which you'll see 3 tabs, which are basically 3 different ways you can create a survey. The Blank Survey tab allows you to create a survey from scratch. The Templates tab allows you to create surveys using our pre-built templates. And if you already have a survey designed, you can build upon that under the existing Survey tab. Let's start with the blank template. First, we should give a title for our survey and click Continue, and Zoho Survey will take me to the Edit tab where I can write my questions. To start writing your questions, you have to first choose the question type from the question type panel. And there are 25 different question types you can use, ranging from multiple choice questions, rating questions, matrices, etc. So you have a wide range of question types you can choose from. Once you choose your question type, you can start writing your question. You'll also have additional options to make your questions mandatory or give a hint, and also enable an other text box for your respondent to choose if they don't find a suitable answer in the given multiple choice answers. You can also choose how the answers must be displayed. Also enable autofill options. And once you're done, you can click Save and question will be added to your questionnaire. In this way, you can keep writing your questions until your questionnaire is complete. And once your question is ready, you can go to the Settings tab where you can configure how your survey is going to look, add components to your survey that'll make it easy for your respondents to navigate through your survey, and more. Let's start with the headers section. Here, you can add a brand logo, which will improve the brand recall for your survey. You can upload the image from your computer or from a web URL, or if you have uploaded already a logo to an existing survey, you can choose from that. Just click Apply and the logo will be added to your survey. You can also change the title of your survey. You can either go with the name you've given, or you can specify a text. So I'm just gonna write a survey about puppies. And if you scroll down a bit, you will see the navigations options, which you can use to help your respondents navigate through your surveys, especially if your survey spans across multiple pages. So I can enable a back button using which they can go back and forth in the survey, and also enable a progress bar using which they can know the progress, their current progress in the survey. And I can also enable a question numbering, which will put a number for each question in the survey. And also I can enable a CAPTCHA to prevent bots from spamming the survey. And by the way, a CAPTCHA is that question that asks you to type those scrambled text on characters to prove that you are a human and not an evil robot trying to take over the world. We love our survey and the world, so we're going to just enable CAPTCHA and move on to the next options. And here you can choose the language that you're going to show your error messages for your respondents. There are 35 languages available, so you can choose the language that suits your respondents. And you can also disable the Powered by Zoho Survey footer that's going to appear at the end of your survey by unchecking this box. And down below, you will also find options to customize all of your end pages. Now, end pages are basically the pages that will be shown to your respondents when they are done with your survey or when they access your survey when your survey is closed. So you can customize these details if you want. Now, there are many other options you can enable here. For instance, you can enable question logic to set end pages based on your respondent's response. And you can also set some logic to terminate your users and take them to a default end page or a custom end page when the survey is over. Now, these are all advanced settings which we will be discussing in other tutorial videos in our webinars. So please do check them out. For now, I'm just gonna go ahead and save the settings and move on to the Themes tab where we can add a style to our survey and make it look good. The Themes tab provide a variety of themes that you can use to enhance the appearance of your Zoho survey. And there are 2 kinds of themes available in Zoho Survey. Fully customizable themes, which are, as the name says, fully customizable. And the other one are standard themes, which are not really customizable, but are already pre-designed and are easy to apply. So in order to see how your survey looks like in a particular theme, just go ahead and hover over the theme and click Preview. And Zoho Survey will give a preview of my survey in the theme. And if you're satisfied with it, you can just go ahead and click the Apply checkbox at the right top, and Zoho Survey will apply the theme to your survey. Great! Now it's time for us to go ahead and publish our survey and start getting responses. For that, we go to the Deploy tab at the top and click the Publish Now button. And Zoho Survey will give us a web link that we can use to share our survey. Basically, anyone who has this link or clicks this link will be able to open their survey and add their responses. Now, there are many other ways you can publish your survey, enable restrictions, set up a password protection, or even set up your survey to work offline. Please check out our other tutorials and webinars to know more about these functions. And we've just scratched the surface of Zoho Survey in this video, and there's a lot more advanced functionalities available. To learn more about Zoho Survey, you can check out our help articles, demo videos, and webinars. You can also contact us at support@zohosurvey.com for any assistance anytime. Thank you very much for watching, and good luck with your surveys.